Hello my dear students, welcome back to my online class. This is your English teacher Shivani ma'am. Students, today I am making this video for both class 7th and 8th because the topic, the determiner, will be same in class 7th and 8th. So in class 7th, this chapter is chapter number 4th, and in class 8th it is the 14th chapter, the determiner. Okay, but the syllabus is same, everything is same, so we will discuss it together, and later on we will discuss the exercises separately. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The determiner. A determiner is a word that comes before a noun to indicate which thing we are referring to. Determiners also indicate whether we are referring to one thing or several things. So this definition means that a determiner is a word that comes before a noun, okay, to indicate that noun. Determiner ऐसे सभी वर्ड्स होते हैं जो हमारे नाउन के पहले आते हैं उस नाउन को इंडिकेट करने के लिए, उस नाउन को रेफर करने के लिए. ओके, determiners also used to tell us that whether our noun is singular or plural. Okay, कि आपका जो भी नाउन है वो सिंगुलर है या प्लूरल है, whether you are talking about singular thing or whether you are talking about several things together, that will also tell determiner. Articles a and the are called determiners. Now I will not go into articles because we have already discussed articles in article topic. Okay, so जो articles होते हैं a and the, they are also considered as determiners. Words like this, my, some, which and each are also determiners which used with nouns. Okay, so there are other different words which are also considered as determiners. They are also used before the noun. Look at the following phrases: a boy, this shirt, which building, an aeroplane, my shirt, each student, the best girl, someday. In all these phrases, words like a, this, which, and, my, each, the, some, all these words are considered as determiner. But the point is that all these words refer to different determiners that we will study in the kinds of determiner. The red color words are all determiners. Obviously you can't see the red color because I have clicked the picture in black and white form. Okay, they are used before nouns, but look at the phrases. The best girl. In this phrase, the best tells about the quality of a particular girl. This is an adjective and not a determiner or a noun. Okay, in first phrase, a boy, boy is your noun, so a is the determiner because अ जो आपका वर्ड है वो किसको इंडिकेट कर रहा है, बॉय को. और ऐसे सभी वर्ड्स जो आपके नाउन को इंडिकेट करेंगे वो क्या होंगे, डेटर्मिनर. ठीक है, सिमिलरली दिस हाउस में दिस इज योर डेटर्मिनर, विच बिल्डिंग में विच इज द डेटर्मिनर, एन एरोप्लेन में एन इज द डेटर्मिनर, माई शर्ट माई, ईच स्टूडेंट ईच इज द डेटर्मिनर, द बेस्ट गर्ल द इज द डेटर्मिनर. ओके, नाउन क्या है, गर्ल, लेकिन बेस्ट हमारा डिटर्मिनर नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि बेस्ट इज एन एडजेक्टिव. ठीक है, वो गर्ल की क्वालिटी को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. ओके, और एडजेक्टिव में अभी हमने प्रीवियस चैप्टर में पढ़ा था दैट द वर्ड्स विच डिस्क्राइब और मॉडिफाई द नाउन और प्रोनाउन आर नोन एज एडजेक्टिव. सो बेस्ट इज योर एडजेक्टिव, द इज योर डिटर्मिनर एंड गर्ल इज योर नाउन. सम डे. Let's move further and see kinds of determiner. So basically generally we read only about 4 kinds of determiner, but here we will be studying about 6 kinds of determiner. First is articles a and the, demonstratives this, that, these, those, possessive may, are, his, theirs, etc. Quantifiers some, any, each, every, any, either, neither, few, little, several, many, etc. Interrogatives what, which, whose. Exclamatory what, such. So here we will read 6 determiners line by line. Okay, so let's start it with the articles. First determiner is articles. Students, we have already read it in the previous class, but again let's do it. Articles are basically of two types. First is indefinite articles that are a and an. A is used before consonant sounds and an is used before vowel sounds. Okay, so indefinite articles में आता है हमारा a और an, जिसमें से a यूज होता है before the consonants, okay, and an is used before vowel. Vowel means a, e, I, o, u. And next up is the definite articles, that is the. The definite article the is used at the beginning of a noun group to refer to something or someone that is already mentioned or identified. Example, a boy went for a walk with his dog. The boy came back soon. So we use the in those sentences where we are talking about a particular specific noun. Okay, here in this sentence we are talking about a boy and we are talking about that boy again. So जब पहली बार हमने बॉय के बारे में बात किया तब हमें पता नहीं था कि हम किस बॉय के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जब हमने दूसरी बार उसके बारे में बात किया तो हमें पता था कि हम किस बॉय के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, जो बॉय वॉक करने गया था. Okay, so here we are talking about a specific boy and so that we are using the here. Use of indefinite articles. The indefinite article is used before a singular noun which is countable when it is mentioned for the first time. Okay, indefinite articles a और an हम कहाँ use करते हैं उसके लिए कुछ different rules हैं. First is we will use indefinite article where there is a singular noun which is countable. Countable noun जो कि count किया जा सके, ठीक. When it is mentioned for the first time. See the previous example. A boy went for a walk with his dog. The boy came back soon. First चीज़ boy क्या है हमारा noun है. दूसरी चीज़ कैसा noun है, countable noun है. Okay, a boy singular boy के बारे में बात हो रही है. So we are using a here. When we will use indefinite articles where there is countable noun which is mentioned for the first time. पहली बार बात हो रही हो, जैसे a cat is an animal. I saw a boy. Okay. Second rule, it is used before the names of professions. Whenever we talk about any profession, like my father is a doctor, my mother is a teacher, my brother is an engineer, then before that profession we will use a or an. Indefinite articles like my father is a teacher, my brother is an engineer. Third rule, it is used at the beginning of a certain numerical expression. जब भी हम कोई न्यूमेरिकल एक्सप्रेशन यूज़ करेंगे सर्टेन फिक्स्ड, उसके पहले हम यूज़ करेंगे आपका indefinite articles like a or an. A dozen, half a dozen, 100. Next up, it is used in expressions of price, speed, ratio, etc. Okay, जब भी हम किसी price, speed, ratio की बात करेंगे then we will use indefinite articles like a kilo, a rupee, a dozen, 3 times a day, 6 times a day. Next, it is used in exclamations before singular countable nouns. So whenever we write any exclamatory sentence, then we usually say like this: what a cold day, what a beautiful weather, what a wonderful teacher. Okay, so we will use indefinite article here. An is used with all the nouns that start with vowel sound. For example, an engineer, an honest man, an MLA, an R. Okay, so where we will use a before consonant sound and where we will use an before vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. Next is use of definite articles. Definite article means the. Okay, there is only one definite article, that is the, and there is two indefinite articles, a, an. First rule, the definite article is used before nouns of which there is only one. Okay, I hope you understood. हम डेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स वहाँ यूज़ करते हैं जहाँ हम नाउन्स के बारे में बात करेंगे, ऐसे नाउन्स के बारे में विच इज़ ओनली वन. ठीक है, जो सिर्फ एक ही है. लाइक देयर इज ओनली वन यूनिवर्स, देयर इज ओनली वन सन, ओनली वन मून, ओनली वन स्काई, द ओनली वन साउथ पोल, ओनली वन नॉर्थ पोल. ठीक है, वी कैन नॉट हैव सेवरल स्काई, वी कैन नॉट हैव सेवरल universe, we cannot have several globe, we can have several rivers, but we cannot have several sky. So the sun, the sky, the south pole, the north pole, etc. Next, it is used before a noun which has become indefinite as a result of being mentioned again. जब भी हम किसी ऐसे नाउन के बारे में बात करेंगे जिसके बारे में उसी सेंटेंस में पहले बात हो चुकी है, ठीक है, जैसे I saw a boy, I saw a boy, अभी मैंने इस बॉय का जिक्र पहली बार किया, आई सॉ अ बॉय, फुल स्टॉप, देन आई विल राइट द बॉय वाज स्टैंडिंग क्वाइटली, द बॉय वाज स्टैंडिंग क्वाइटली. व्हाई आई सेड लाइक दिस, मैंने उसी बॉय के लिए एक बार अ यूज़ किया, एक बार द यूज़ किया. जब मैं फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बॉय इज योर नाउन, ओके, व्हेन यू विल मेंशन द बॉय फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, व्हेन यू मेंशन द नाउन फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम यू यूज अ. I saw a boy. When you use that noun for another time, okay, that is being mentioned previously, then we will use the. The boy was standing quietly. ठीक है. He met a girl. The girl was beautiful. The क्यों यूज हुआ है? क्योंकि सेम सेंटेंस में हम पहले गर्ल के लिए बात कर चुके हैं. ठीक है. A girl. Next, it is used before a noun followed by relative clause. जब भी हम कहीं रिलेटिव क्लॉज यूज़ करेंगे तब उसके पहले हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? द मैन हु यू मेट, द गर्ल हुम आई मेट येस्टरडे, द बॉय हु इज हेड बॉय. ओके, नेक्स्ट अप इज इट इज़ यूज बिफोर अ नाउन विच रिप्रेजेंट्स ओनली वन पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और थिंग. सो it is used before a noun which represent only one particular person or thing. किसी एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन या थिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे तब हम यूज करेंगे द. क्यों? क्योंकि एक पर्टिकुलर मतलब स्पेसिफिक. ठीक है. अ बॉय मतलब कोई भी बॉय हो सकता है. द बॉय मतलब यू नो विच बॉय. द बॉय हु इज स्माइलिंग, वो लड़का जो स्माइल कर रहा है. अ बॉय कोई भी हो सकता है. आई मेट द टीचर. ओके, आई मेट द टीचर. विच टीचर? My teacher. He left her in the garden. The garden of his house. Means you know about which garden he is talking. You know about which teacher he is talking. The teacher is a specific. The garden is a specific. ठीक है? It is used before superlatives. Superlative? Yes. Superlative is the third form of degree of comparison. In the previous chapter we studied about degree of comparisons. There we studied about comparative and superlative degree. Superlative is the third degree. He is the best boy in the class. So जहाँ पर भी हम superlative adjectives use करेंगे उसके पहले हम क्या use करेंगे? the. He is the best boy in the class. This is the most interesting novel. Okay. He is the best. He is the worst. He is the tallest. It is used before singular noun which represent a class. It is used before a singular noun which represent a class. Okay, so it is also used before a singular noun जो कि पूरे class को refer करती है. Like the cow has horns. All cows have horns. Okay, here we are talking about a singular noun cow. But you know cow बात हम यहाँ पे किसके लिए कर रहे हैं? For all the cows. सारे काउस के बारे में. The rose is a beautiful flower. Roses are beautiful flowers. Next is it is used before the names of river, sea, chains, mountains, the plural names of the countries. Okay, it is the is also used before rivers, seas, mountains, and the plural names of the countries like the Yamuna, the Ganga, the Pacific Ocean, the Alps, the USA, the Netherlands. It is used before musical instrument. किसी भी musical instrument से पहले हम the use करेंगे. He was playing on the harmonium. He was playing the tabla, the guitar. It is used before an adjective that is used to represent a class of persons. Let us pray for the dead. Okay. हम ऐसे एडजेक्टिव्स के पहले द यूज़ करेंगे विच रिप्रेजेंट्स द होल क्लास ऑफ पर्सन. ठीक है. लेट अस प्रे फॉर द डेड. डेड मतलब dead persons. The old man and the young visited the fair. Means we are talking about all the old persons and all the young persons. The definite article the is omitted in expressions such as go to bed, go to school, go to market, go to church, go to hospital, go to prison, when these nouns are used for their primary function. Otherwise they take the definite article the. Compare. The children went to school to study there. I went to the school to see the teacher. School here stands for a specific building. Okay. The children went to school. Normal sentence है. I went to the school to see the teacher. Here school is specific school. ठीक है. आपको पता है कि कौन से specific school के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हो जहाँ आप गए थे अपने टीचर से मिलने. He went to hospital for treatment. मतलब it could be any hospital. ठीक है. आपको नहीं पता कि वो कौन सा इस हॉस्पिटल है. You only know that that person went to hospital for the treatment, but you don't know about which hospital he is talking. And in the next sentence, I visited him in the hospital. अभी आपको पता है कि in which hospital he is. Why? Because you went there to meet him. Okay, to visit him.